A drawer has 3 green pens, 8 black pens, 4 red pens, and 5 blue pens. If 2 pens are picked at random without replacement, what is the probability that both pens picked are not black? So to start, we want to make sure we understand how many pens we have in total and how many are not black. So the non-black ones are 3 from the green, 4 from the red, 5 from the blue. And we have a total of 12 non-black pens. Now the total number of pens, we have to add on that 8. And this is how we can get the denominator of our ratio here. Ratio in terms of a percentage we can do. So adding the 8, I know that's 12 plus 8, which is 20. So in our first pick, we have 12 out of 20 probability of picking a non-black pen. And if I remember correctly, 12 over 20 is basically 3 over 5, which is 60%. So we have a first chance 60% that we do not pick a black pen. Now, what happens after we don't pick a black pen? Because we're supposing that both pens picked are not black. What happens when we pick the second pen? And again, this is a without replacement problem, so we're not putting the pen back. We don't have our original numerator and denominator. So what we have to consider is, okay, we have our 12 over 20. Now we have to take away 1 from both the numerator and denominator because 1 pen is out of the whole ratio now. So we have 11 over 19. And so now that becomes our second probability that we have to account for, 11 over 19. When we're multiplying these, we're taking into account the first try and the second try. So let's now simplify this to make this easier. Again, we said that 12 over 5 is 12 over 20 is 3/5, and we can multiply that with the 11 over 19, as we cannot get that, we cannot simplify this further. And so we get 33, and we have 95 down here. So this becomes our probability in terms of a fraction of getting 2 non-black pens without replacement.